Sharing a real quick version of how I create these crocheted sleeves. So I find a really cute t-shirt and the yarn that I want to use, and I worked with the same yarn that I used for the One Big Happy yarn. All you need is your crochet hook, scissors, measuring tape, sewing needle and thread, or fabric adhesive. So since I'm working with just the sleeves, I'm going to cut off the sleeves that are already there right along the line. So you just want to cut off both of them right along the line. And since the shirt was a bit long, I cut off the bottom as well. So now it's giving off a cropped look. So what I do now is I measure the opening of the armhole so I could crochet to that amount, creating 2 long rows for both sleeves. The first row is a half double crochet, attach that row around the opening. Once that row is attached, then I crochet now in rounds, creating the sleeves. For this design I wanted ruffles, so I created clusters within the same stitch in order to increase and create more movement. You can use a sewing needle and thread or really strong fabric adhesive to attach that row around the opening. This is one of my favorite Dream Duos projects because it's super easy and it creates that cool handmade look.